Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, we're going with the air fryer. We're going to do some barbecue shrimp in the air fryer. Now, I did a shopping haul a while back, and I got a bag of shrimp. I think it was around $15 and something, and I counted it out, and each shrimp cost me 27 cents. So we're using 12 shrimp today, so that's $3.24 worth of shrimp. I'm using 2 containers of ramen noodle shrimp flavor, 2 of these that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1 each, so that's $2. I'm using 50 cents worth of corn. I cut off the corn off a cob, and it was 2 for $1, so that's 1. That's 50 cents. And I'm using a handful of cranberries, about 1/4 a cup of cranberries, give or take, and that's about 25 cents. So we're into the meal for $5.99. So we're going to call it a $6 meal. How about that? For the barbecue ramen noodle meal. Let's do it. Right here with Grandma Ray Don't Play. Thumbs up, please. Share the video and subscribe. Let's do it. Okay, so let's put the ramen noodles in this hot water that I already have started. You don't want to come out. Okay, we're up. I think I'm going to add another pack of ramen noodles because that doesn't seem like it's going to be enough. Okay, I have 3 packs now in here. Okay, now let's season our shrimp. This is the pan that I'm going to use for the shrimp in the air fryer. Let's put some seasonings on. I'm going to start with some no salt sassoon, because I think the sassoon would be a nice complement to the shrimp flavor that's already on the ramen noodles. Add some no salt. Some garlic. Black pepper. Alright. Putting the shrimp in the already oiled olive oil pan. That's what it's looking like. Okay, now we're going to put it in. And 3 470 is fine because shrimp cook fast. And we're gonna go down to, let's do 5 minutes. Okay, now the barbecue sauce I'm going to be using is this Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. I like it because it has a sweet taste and a spicy taste. So if you don't like spicy, you can use regular barbecue sauce, alright? So when the air fryer gets to about 3 minutes, I'm going to stop and I'm going to add the barbecue sauce onto the shrimp then. So that means that I'm going to be right here waiting on that process. So while I'm waiting here, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Do you think you're somebody special? Do you think you're pretty? Do you think you're awesome? Do you think you have a great personality? Do you think you know everything? Who do you think you are? Well, it is what it is. Not the way you want it to be, not the way you think it should be. It is what it is. So whatever you believe you are, because that's what you will portray. And when you want to portray something else, you'll change that. It is what it is. That's the word of the day. Who do you think you are? Okay. Our ramen noodles is done. I just tasted them. They've been cooking about 3-4 minutes. So I'm going to cut them off and drain that. We have 1 minute left on the air fryer. Let's check out the shrimp. I'll show you the shrimp. Let me drain this first. So I'm going to strain the ramen noodles in this strainer here. You can see the shrimp is not quite done. When they get done, they're going to turn a nice orange color. So, but they've been cooking for 4 minutes. So I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. Ooh, don't want that cooking. I need to make sure you can see though. Okay. I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. So remember we had a minute left on the air fryer and nothing's in there, so I gotta now remember that the shrimp cooked for 4 minutes total. Okay, barbecue sauce is on the shrimp. Gonna add the shrimp back into the air fryer. And we're gonna set the time again. 370 is what we had. Now let's go down to already cooked 4 minutes. Let's do 6 minutes. That'll give a total of 10. Okay guys, here we go. Barbecue shrimp ramen noodles with cranberries and corn. Would you look at that? Who'd have known you could add a barbecue sauce to the ramen noodles and shrimp? That's what I'm talking about. Those shrimps was cooked in the air fryer. Oh boy. Let me taste.